For today's recipe, we're going to use smoked paprika, salt, pepper, dill, Dijon mustard, mayo, and 7 eggs. First thing we're going to do is bring some water to a boil in a pot. Once it comes to a boil, we'll add our eggs. Once the water has come to a boil, we're going to gently put our eggs inside the boiling water. We're going to leave them here for about 13 minutes. Once we have peeled the eggs, what we're going to do is separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Now once I've separated the egg yolk from the egg white, I'm going to go ahead and put in about 1/4 of a cup of mayo. I'm going to do a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm sorry, a tablespoon. Then I'm going to do about a tablespoon of dill. A sprinkle of smoked paprika. Some pepper. And some salt. If you don't want it spicy at all, you can just omit the paprika. Once I have all these ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and mix it very well. What you want to do next is roughly chop the egg white and incorporate it into your mixture. I find that separating it makes it easier for me to combine all the ingredients and still have some of these bigger pieces without getting them smashed. Now you're just gonna lightly mix it all together. And there we have it. I added some more dill and parsley as garnish. It's delicious. I hope you guys give this a try.